Done with your NEET examinations, after parties, and what next? Are you confused? Come, let me tell you about physiotherapy. What is physiotherapy? According to the new NCAHP guidelines, physiotherapy is a 5 year course in which there is 1 year of internship. You get a prefix of doctor and a suffix of a physiotherapist. It is not acupressure, massage, or chiropractic. It is a first time healthcare profession which focuses on movement and rehabilitation. You study anatomy, pathology, microbiology, pharmacology, surgery, medicine, psychology, and cardiovascular physiotherapy, musculoskeletal physiotherapy, neurophysiotherapy, community health, women's health, and a lot more. Physiotherapy is not random exercises. It is a rehabilitation journey from pediatrics till geriatrics. Physiotherapy is not just about treating patients, it is about healing patients. If yet you have any doubts regarding the course or the new guidelines, do comment down. Save this video and share it with your NEET aspirant friends. And do not forget to follow PhysioMinds.